case. I really miss my crossfire. Cause with my home, I'm from Philippines, Cebu City, Talisay City, San Isidro. Look, and this is my family. Look there, my family. That is my mother and my cousin and the little one is my sister. So I'm here to introduce myself to YouTube. And I'm gonna big. I wanna be a pilot, just like the pilots in the plane. When my father is a seaman, he is go for a boat now. Please, hi YouTube. I really miss my crossbar and I had my crossbar. Wala pa gali. I just miss my crossfire. Please report me in the Facebook. Just add me and I'll confirm you. Please. The name of my crossfire code name is Genix445 and my rank is Staff Sergeant 6 class. Okay. Oh, so bye YouTube.